Today we will create a Google Cloud Storage bucket and make a JPG file accessible everywhere. First, go on to the hamburger option, click on View All Products. In the storage section, the first option is Cloud Storage. Click on Create Bucket option, give a unique name, GCP Labs-1. Click on Continue. In the region, select the region option and select US Central Iowa 1. Continue. Set this as default. Continue. Uncheck this option which removes the public access prevention of this bucket. Uniform is fine. Rest as is. Click on create. Now the bucket will be created and we will add a file to it. So click on upload button, upload files. There is an image. Upload it. Will take a little bit of time. The file successfully uploaded. Here you can see the file is available. Now go back to the buckets, click on permissions. Now we will grant the permission to make it accessible everywhere. So for that, type in the new principles all authenticated users. Now select enroll, go on to the cloud storage, and the last option storage object viewer. Click on save, and you will be prompted to make this resource public, allow all public access. The policy is now set. Go on to objects, select the image that you uploaded in the authenticated URL, copy it, paste it in a new tab, and here is your image. Make sure to delete the bucket after use. Thank you.